Namaste to all dear warriors. Here I am with a new video relating to least squares, even number of years. Here in the textbook heading is there, it is even period, but in the exam hall you don't know whether it is even period or odd period. For that, first we need to check the number of years given. Okay, so see here, years and sales are given. I'll write here years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is a even number, so it means that it is even period. So what is the between the 2 years value, where how to solve this one? So 6 divided by 2 you do, it is 6 divided by 2, it is 3, means 1 2 3, okay, is one set, and 4 5 6 is the other part. So here you take 0.5 minus, this side minus signs, 0.15, oh sorry 1 point, just a minute, this is third year, so here it will be minus 0.5, minus 1.5 and minus 2.5, you will take this side. From here, from third year, this side it will be plus signs, 0.5, 1.5 and 2.5 other side. Okay, this is how we need to do. Let us solve one question relating to this, so that you will understand in better way. So this is the least squares question. Question number 26 we are going to do. Fit a straight line trend by method of least squares to the following data. Assuming that the same rate of change continues, what would be the predicted earnings in 1985? See, 1977, 1978, 1979, 1978, 1980, 1981, 1982, 1983, 1984. Till here he gave, and he is asking in the 1985 in future. Okay, so here in this case he is asking earnings for 1985. Okay, so let us see the question. 38, 40, 65, 62, 69, 60 and 87, 95. These are the earnings given, and these are the years. First check whether it is odd period or even period. For that, what we need to write? We need to write the years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the last year? 8. So divide 8 divided by 2. Okay, 4. So till 4th year, okay, as it is 4th year, even period, okay, till 4th there will be minus values, minus 0.5, minus 1.5, minus 2.5, minus 3.5, like this x values we will take. And the after 4th year onwards, plus 0.5, 1.5, 2.5 and 3.5 are the values we will take for the next period. Okay, so let us solve the answer relating to it. One of my student notes it is. Okay, so let us see the answer relating to year. Whatever years are given, 1977, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, these are the years we have taken. And earnings which are given, that we will consider as y, and write those values: 38, 40, 65, 72, 69, 60, 87, 95. Total it, that will be your sigma y or summation y we call. Okay, and next we need to take x values. X values, how you will take? As just now we have saw, it is 8 here, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 by 2, if you do, middle year is fourth year, so fourth year we will take here minus 0.5, minus 1.5, minus 2.5, minus 3.5, and fourth year after plus 0.5, plus 1.5, plus 2.5, plus 3.5. why we are doing like this means in between, okay, fourth year and fifth year is the middle year, so that will be the 1 divided by 2, it is 0.5, 0.5, plus in the middle we need to take 0, so minus 0.5 plus 0.5 will become 0 na. So here we are taking like that. Just do even period, like this will come. In odd period, middle year you will get 0, right? That is how. If any doubts, you can watch the previous video. So x values we are taking fourth year 0.5, 0.15, 0.25, 0.35. Sorry, not 0.35. Oh shit. 0.5, 1.5, 2.5 and 3.5, these all are minus values. Next to 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, these are plus symbol values, right? So x values we have taken, we need to do x square, multiply it, 3.5 into 3.5, minus into minus will become plus, so after doing square there will not be any minus value anymore. So 3.5 into 3.5, 12.25, 2.5 into 2.5, 6.25, 1.5 into 1.5, 2.25, 0.5 into 0.5, 0.25. Same, these values will be repeated here. 0.5 into 0.5, 2.5, 1.5 into 1.5, 2.25, 2.5 into 2.5 square we are doing, so multiplication with the same number, it will be 6.25, 3.5 into 3.5, 12.25. you can check the calculations and add all these things, it is 42, we call it as sigma x square, right? Next we require xy, so y and x, these are the values, you need to multiply these things. 38 into 3.5, it is 133.0, as it is minus symbol, we are taking minus here. 40 into minus 2.5, it is 100, minus 100. 65 into minus 1.5, it is minus 97.5. 72 into 0.5, it is here minus 36. 69 into 0.5 plus 34.5. 60 into 1.5, it is 90. Then 87 into 2.5, 217.5. 95 into 12.5, 95 into 3.5, it is 332.5. add plus values and deduct the minus values, you will get 308. it we will call it as sigma xy, right? And yc is equals to a plus bx, this is the straight line equation under least squares. So yc is equals to a plus bx. How to get a value, b value, that is we are going to see, and these values we will get as a working note we will do and we will get those. So where n is equals to 8, sigma y is equals to 526 sigma y, and sigma x square 42, sigma xy 308. These are the values we have got over there, right? So these values we have taken here and written. Working note 1, calculation of a and b values. Okay, please remember these formulas. A is equals to sigma y by n, 526.8, that is 65.75 we are getting. b is equals to sigma x y divided by sigma x square. Sigma xy is this one 308, so take 308, and sigma x square is equals to 42, so 308 divided by 42, it will be 7.33. This is b value. Now we have got x value, a value and b value, so we will calculate trend values. Okay, calculation of trend values under least squares. Here x, years we will write here, and x values like minus 3.5, minus 2.5, minus 1.5, 0.5, plus 0.5, plus 1.5, plus 2.5, plus 3.5. These values we will write over here. Okay, after writing these values, just do the one thing. Yc is equals to a plus bx. A value we have got 65.75, b value 7.33. X value we are taking here minus 3.5, so minus 3.5 into 7.88, because b into x is there, so b into minus 3.5, it is 65.75 minus 25.75, it will become 40.15. okay, next we are having 2.5, okay, as value. 65.75 plus 7.33 into minus 2.5, it will become 65.75 minus 18.33, 47.242. Next 1.5 x value, 65.75 plus 7.33 into minus 1.25, so 65.75 minus 7.33 into 1.5, if you do, it is 10, that will be 55.75. next it is minus 0.5, so 65.75 plus 7.33 into minus 0.5, 65.75 minus 3.67, it is 62.08. like this we need to do for everything. 0.5 into 65.75 plus 7.33 into 0.5, here on plus values we will get, so 65.75 plus 3.67, it is around 69.42. then 65.75 into plus 7.33 into 1.5, 1.5 into 7.33 we are getting 10, so 65.75 plus 10, it is 75.75. next to 2.5 we will take in the place of x, so 6.75 plus 7.33 into 2.5, 6.75 plus 18.33, it is around 84.08. next lastly x value we are taking 3.5, 65.75 plus 7.33 into 3.5, 65.75 plus 3.5 into 7.33, it is 25.65. if you add, it is 91.4. like this we need to calculate all the values relating to trend values. These trend values we will write in the main answer as we did here as working. So we will write here all the trend values, first year, second year, whatever, 97, 98, 99, like this we will write. But here in this question he asked one more additional point. Did she do? No. Let us calculate that one also. He asked for what is the earnings in the year 1985. Suppose if there is one more year 1985 also, here value is what, 3.5, so it will become 4.5. so 3.5 is there, in that place 4.5 we need to take, right? So what we need to do, in place of that formula a plus bx, yc is equals to a plus bx, a we are having how much, a we are getting as 5.75 plus B 7.33 into 4.5 we need to take. After multiplying 4.55 into 7.33 we will get value. So here I will write clearly YC is equals to A plus BX, right? So here A is equals to 65.75 plus B 7.33 into 4.5 for the 1985 year we can take 4.5 here if 1985 also there. So value will become here 65.75 plus it is around, here it is 65.75 plus 32.99. If we add these two values it will be around 65 plus 30, 95 plus 2, 95 plus 2, 97, 98 point around 98.7 it is there, 98.74. This will be the value for the if there is 1985 earnings will be 98.74. that will be the answer. So after doing this, additionally what we need to do is, as I said in the earlier video also, take these values and do a freehand method. Years you will take here 1997, 77, 78 like this here, and earnings you will take on the y-axis earnings, and you just plot these values whatever are there, these values you will plot here and draw a line. Similarly you make a line for this least square. This is original line or actual line you will call, and next one whatever we are plotting with this 40 least squares value, okay, 42, 47, 55, 65, 69, 75, 84, 90. These dots you make a line and write their trend line, okay, trend line. So if you do all these things, okay, after drawing the chart also you will get full marks. Otherwise you will be stopped at A or A plus itself. You may not get O. To get O you need to draw the chart also after preparing these. Whether it is moving averages, whether it is least square method, you need to draw the chart also under freehand method, which we did in the classroom also.